Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to use TalkBack on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then you have to find and select additional settings, and then go to accessibility. And here you can see TalkBack, and to activate it all you have to do is here to tap here. Tap on allow. And now here you've got a small tutorial so you can listen to everything. I will just volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And let me go back, so just mark something once and then double tap to select it. And if you would like to know something more about TalkBack, just mark it and now you'll be informed.
When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You will see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 3 items. Volume controls hidden.
And if you would like to turn off watermark, so as you can see here you've got information that TalkBack is on, just mark it and double tap to turn it off. As you can see, it disappeared. So all you have to do is to tap once on something, then if you want to select it, just double tap to mark it. And then, as you can see, smoothly by tapping, you can hear what is marked. And then if you'd like to switch TalkBack off, just mark it, click twice to activate it, mark accessibility once and then double tap to switch it off, select stop and double tap to turn it off. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.